Amusing photos of Politikos have been circulating online, thanks to the viral app FaceApp that transforms their looks into the opposite gender. One netizen used the app to transform the country's senators. While another made a version of Metro Manila mayors. Netizens have also used the app for presidential spokesperson Harry Roque and President Duterte. Even the Politikos joined the FaceApp trend.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.